episode of Behind the Lockbox, where we give you great ideas and tips about buying and selling your home. Today I want to talk about open houses, and I know this is a controversial subject when buying or selling a house, and most sellers feel that they should do open houses. Well, let me give you some ideas on my thoughts, just my ideas about an open house, so that you've got a realistic expectation. Open houses are great in certain situations. They're not for every house. An open house has to have people that are able to come to it. If your house is on a main thoroughfare or main drive and you can get a lot of traffic in there, that's great. And it may be an awesome place to have an open house. If your house is hidden and back in the neighborhood and it would be harder to get there, it might not be beneficial. The idea of an open house gets people through the front door. It gets them in a situation where they're walking around and they're looking at the homes. But what it really does is gives interaction between the selling agent and the new buyers coming in. This might not be the house for them, but I would bet you that that listing agent has a house somewhere in their repertoire for what they're looking for. It's a great way to meet buyers. And I'm not saying that open houses never sell houses. It's just one of those things. It's got to be the right situation for the right house. So if you've got a great show home with a lot of traffic opportunities, go for it. If your house is more hidden and not on the main thoroughfare and not really accessible to buyers walking in, maybe you should spend your time a little bit wiser in a more effective way. Let us know if we can help with anything else, and look out for the next episodes coming up soon.